Hello everyone. Right, we're going to make a fairy scene today. So I've got some of the leaves that I preserved. It's bark. My sister found this on her hunts around. You can find it everywhere. Some of these beautiful twigs that had fallen out of a tree in a storm. Look at those. Aren't they stunning? And some acorn caps. Some little acorns, tops of the acorns. Like that. I've got my husband to drill a little, oh, you can't see it. He's drilled a little tiny hole through the top. Can you see it? Yeah, I got my husband to do that. So I've got that, and I've got a little light. I got these little lights off Amazon, just little tiny lights, but they fit perfectly into an acorn. And a board to put the whole scene on. It's the back of a wardrobe. My husband cut it out. So first things first, I want to make a floor, and I want to make it look like proper flooring. So I'm going to get my leaves, chop them into little squares, which I've done here. Look, I've got little squares out of my leaves. I've got light ones and dark ones because I want to make them one light, one dark, one light, one dark, one light, one dark. So first of all, get some glue. I find this clear glue works really well. So clear glue, and then start placing your bits of leaf on the board like this. I've got a bit of glue. I put a bit of glue on there earlier. Look. Start placing them onto the board like that. There we go. Got a bit more glue. Look, like this. Just keep going until, haha, one I've made earlier. You get that. Look, looks a bit like parquet flooring, don't you think? I do love it. Right, now the next thing I want to do is I want to cut a piece of the bark, cut a piece of this, and it's quite easy if you use a pair of these things here. Let's bring it down a bit. You can see me a bit better. It's quite easy when you can't see my face though. God, maybe put myself up a bit there. So yeah, if you just go into it, even I can do it. It's not hard, and I've got arthritis, so it's not bad. And then get yourself a bit, keep breaking it, keep cutting into it and cutting around it. Once you've done it, just take little bits, come off like that, yeah, all over the floor, just like that, until you're left with a little piece of wood like that, little table. Hey, now the next thing, you need to get 4 pieces of stick, roughly the same size. Well, they are the same size because they're going to make the table, and hot glue gun these to that. So put a dollop of hot glue on each one and glue it to the table like that. Let me stop you. Right, little table made. Now, let's make some little bowls to put on it. I'm going to put some food in these. So I've took a couple of little acorns. I'm going to put a dollop of glue on the bottom like that. Then I'm going to add some bits of fur off the fir tree like that, and some beech buds, because I've heard that fir and beech buds are perfect. They make a delicious food, and a bit of lime, a bit of lichen. Let's have a bit of that. Let's put a bit of that in as well. There we are. Little bit. So now let's glue that to the table. Onto the table. There we are. Need some chopsticks. Hey, make a couple of chopsticks next. Just taking some little bits. Perfect chopsticks. Make 4 of those like that. That's making 4 like that. 2, 3, 4. There we go. They will look perfect. Pop that in the side of the bowls. There we go. Beechwood, fir, and lichen stir fry. What could be nicer? I made some little chairs, and literally a little bit of bark, 4 legs. If you can find stuff that's got old stuff on it, looks really good. Look, and even the little added bits, they really just make it. So yeah, that's how I've made the chairs. I made 2 of those to put on the scene. And next, I'll show you how to make the light. So, wait a minute. Took some cake wire. It's like 24 gauge. Yeah, best. It's what I use. Now, my husband, he's drilled a hole through the acorn for me. I can't find it. Oh, found it. So, now let me try and get it so that gets in. See, there's a little hole. He drilled a hole all the way through it. Just tie that to it like that. There we go. And then I just got a twig and wrapped the wire around the twig like that. Not too tight. There, like that. There. Do it like that. Obviously it needs decorating. Next, get one of the little lights. Now I found these little lights on Amazon. Little tiny LED lights, look. Yeah. Trying to make everything so you don't just see me. Look, these little LED lights. There. Tiny little things. Put a dab of hot glue in the actual. Oh, blimey. Let's put that on there. I've got a double hot glue on there to glue that on. That's it. Dab of hot glue in the top there. And then glue that in. Like that. Because it turns to go on. That's a bit warm. Because it turns to go on and off. Yeah, you can turn it on and off. Now I just need to decorate it. I'm going to get some lichen and feathers or something to decorate around there. Like this. So it covers it up. So, and I decorated it. A bit of lichen. I put a little bit of lichen on the top and decorated it there. And there we go. My little scene. And don't forget the leaves. There is a video for how to make the leaves, how to preserve the leaves like that. But there, my little world. Coming for dinner. Would you like to come for dinner? Any questions? Please just put them below, and I will answer them. Anyway, thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you like what I do, like what me and Kath do, like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. Anyway, have a lovely day.